Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 4. Today we will do creative question number 2. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 4, creative question number 2, and this is lecture number 13, and I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 12 number SW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Here is chapter 4, creative question number 2. Look at this picture. Here is a stem. You can see here is this one is Y and this one is Z and this is X. X is sun and Z is bird, that means animal, and this one is Y is tree, plants. Question is here, what is respiration? And B number question, how does stomata help in respiration? Explain. And C number, which one of Y and Z utilizes product of X? Explain. D number, for gaseous exchange, how Y and Z are interdependent on each other? Write with arguments. For A number question, here is the answer. A number question was, what is respiration? Answer is, respiration is the physiochemical process where food is oxidized and potential energy stored in food is converted to kinetic energy and heat energy is released in presence or absence of oxygen where carbon dioxide and water is produced. Now B number answer question was, how does stomata help in respiration? Explain. Answer is, plants do not have any definite respiratory organ. Oxygen enters inside plant body through stomata, lenticels and intercellular spaces. Guard cells of stomata help opening and closing of stomata. Guard cells contain chlorophyll. At daytime, photosynthesis occurs in guard cells and as a result stomata opens. Now C number answer question was, which one of Y and Z utilize product of X? Explain. Answer is, in above diagram Y is plant and Z is animal. You can see here is Y is plant and Z is animal. We know that animal cannot make their own food. They are dependent on plant for food. Only plant prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. For photosynthesis, sunlight is an indispensable factor. Without sunlight, plants cannot prepare their food. Therefore, plant Y utilizes the product of sun, X. Now D number answer. D number question was, for gaseous exchange, how Y and Z are interdependent on each other? Write with arguments. Answer is, in above diagram Y is plant and Z is animal. For gaseous exchange, plant Y and Z are interdependent on each other. We know that animals take oxygen for the purpose of respiration. After completion of this process, they release carbon dioxide in the environment. The plants take carbon dioxide to manufacture their food, and in this process, they release oxygen. In this way, animals and plants are interdependent on each other for gaseous exchange. And here is a figure gaseous exchange. That means plant take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and animal take oxygen and release carbon dioxide here. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our HW number is 12 number HW, and your HW will be creative question number 2, and sub number is C number. C number will be your HW. And repeating your HW, this is 12 number HW, and your HW will be creative question number 2 and sub number is C. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. You practice it at home and do your SN HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.